Hi, this video will show you how to fold a pu'eo or Hawaiian short-eared owl origami. And this is from my book, Rainforests and Reefs. So let's get started. Cut out your origami pattern. Now you're going to begin your folds. So with your origami printed up, find the halfway line and fold it in half. Do your best to match the corners and run your fingers over so that you get a nice crease. Open up your origami. Turn your origami over and fold diagonally in half. Again, doing your best to match the corners and creating a nice crease. Open it up and repeat that fold on the other side, matching your corners and creating a nice crease. Okay. When I open it back up, it kind of stands by itself like a little tent. So push in on the two sides and collapse this origami into a flat owl. Now we're almost done. We just have to create the tail. So turn your owl over and fold down diagonally on this line right here. So you're going to fold it to the center and make sure it matches up nicely along that center line. And repeat it on the other side, folding this tail down on this diagonal line and making sure it meets in the center. See how nicely that meets? Turn it over and you have your pu'eo. And if you'd like to close the wings, you can close the wings just by folding along these lines. And close this wing too. There you go.